So, if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how you can get the results as an affiliate. As you can see, we're here currently. We are in Japan. But if you're watching this video, you're maybe wondering how you can get results as an affiliate starting from zero, right? To have this kind of life. You can travel all around the world. As you can see over here behind me. So, the number one thing is you have to choose the right offer that's going to convert really well. So what I mean by that, you need to be the offer that's paying at least from $50, let's say, to $150 per sale, right? So this will enable you to make consistent income. Basically, let's take Clickbank for example, right? If you're promoting a health offer or a supplement offer on Clickbank, which is paying $50 or $100, the best thing that you think will happen is if you have one sale per day, so you're making $3,000 per month, which is around $36,000 per year, right? But if you have, let's say in this case, 2 sales per day or 3 sales per day, you're already making $9,000 per month, which is really great, right? $9,000 per month, almost $10,000 per month can change most of the people's life. But you have to have someone to guide you through along the way, show the ropes how it's done, give you some step-by-step mentorship one-on-one, right? Because that's what I needed when I begin working. You can follow me on my Instagram, you will see my beginnings. And that was what actually enabled me to start having results with affiliate marketing, right? Having someone to guide me through step by step along the way. So if you want to have a great lifestyle like this in Japan right now, as you can see over here, the nice view behind me, right? If you want to have this kind of results and travel around the world and have fun and make passive income, then what you can do after watching this video is basically just click the link below this video, reach me on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp or email, send me any message you want, and we can go from there. Basically just working together one-on-one, hand in hand, hand holding along the way. But you do need to be serious. You do need to have at least $500 to $3,000 or even more dollars to invest, and so we can begin working together. So if you're still watching this video and you want to get the results, what you can do is just subscribe to my channel after watching this video, and I will personally make sure that we can start to begin and work together. So again, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.